Welcome back everyone to a brand new hiking adventure. Today we are at Mill Creek Park located in Youngstown, Ohio, and I'm going to be filming near Bear's Den, which is one of my favorite spots within the park. So let's go on this short hiking adventure for today. It's probably going to be one of the last beautiful days this week because it's supposed to get really cold. So I wanted to get out here and just film this episode while the leaves are still beautiful, as you could see. Look at these gorgeous colors. And this is a really unique trail. I never filmed the video like walking through this section of the park. So, oh, it looks like there's already some squirrels and some chipmunks around here. Oh, look at this creek. This is gorgeous over here. But yeah, this is one of my favorite spots in this park. And like I said, I did film at this location before with a drone, but not on the ground like this. There's also some really cool glacial formations here. There's large boulders, and it's just a really popular spot. Oh, look at this. Just an absolutely beautiful day here in the forest. And I really like these little pools along the creek bed. You can see some small fish. I'm not sure what kind it is. I don't know if it's, I'm not sure. Maybe you guys could tell me in the comments, but just really gorgeous. There's also a little waterfall up ahead I'm gonna go show you. right, that was really unique to see all those different types of fish in the water there. Beautiful day. I love this river too, this creek that goes alongside the trail. Thank you all for watching today's hiking adventure, and stay tuned for more travel adventures coming soon.